Hi guys, I've come up with pick a pile reading where you are going to think about am I on the right path and intuitively just pick one pile and I'm going to help you decode if you are on the right path or not. And obviously, if it's going to make sense to you, only then you're going to listen to it ahead, right? So just intuitively pick one pile, either one or two, okay? I'm going to start with number one, which says playfulness. So it is about finding joy in things that bring out the inner child of you. So maybe you've been feeling really emotionally tired and exhausting, and you're just bored of being an adult. Okay, Three of Wands basically suggests that you are standing on edge of something bigger, a vision, a longing, a dream that's calling your name. So basically it says that you have already taken the action. अब बस wait हो रहा है कि universe response दे. So you're not off path, you're just on the be patient phase. It's expansion energy, something that you have planted is basically about to arrive. Your soul basically craves for romantic courage, not necessarily in love but in how you live. सो अगर हम इसे उर्दू में बोलें तो वो ये है कि आपका दिल चाहता है कि आप खुली आंखों से अपने ख्वाब देखो और उन तक जाने की हिम्मत भी करो. So this path is of the dreamer, lover, poet, not the accountant for life. So if you're tired of logic, that's your soul calling you back. The world says that you were raised to complete a cycle, to finish what you start, to win, even when the game doesn't serve you right. So, this is like generational pressure to prove yourself by achievement rather than alignment. With the Three of Cups reverse, it says that when joy becomes forced, when the people you celebrate with secretly drain you, right? Like fake friends, spiritual loneliness, और वो gatherings जहाँ आप सबके बीच में अकेला feel करते हो. These are all the signs. This card is basically heartbreak hidden in smiles. Eight of Wands suggests that when things suddenly start moving very fast and fall into place, or synchronicities start showing up, that is basically what alignment is, right? So trust the momentum and don't confuse delay with rejection. And what you need to release basically is that, ironically, your healing persona, the version of you that always tries to be light, आप कभी कभी इतने बिजी हो जाते हो कि सबके लिए आप लाइट बन जाते हो, लेकिन अपने आप अंधेरों को इग्नोर करना शुरू कर देते हो. सो इट्स अबाउट रिलीजिंग द प्रेशर टू शाइन ऑल द टाइम. रियल अलाइनमेंट्स बिगिंस इन द डार्क बेसिकली. ओके, एंड overall guidance is that you're not lost, you're just learning. This is basically the student energy, humility, curiosity. Okay, so basically your soul is saying, so slow down, learn again, you're not late, you're just in training. Okay, so overall I would like to guide pile one that you are not behind, you're not lost, you're just on the edge of something sacred. Maybe the right path isn't about doing more, it's about listening more. So, yeah, that was the message for pile one. Now, let's move to pile two. So, pile two, let's see, let go of control. So, this pile is for the overachievers, the emotionally regulated caretakers, and the one who smile through systematic burnout. Okay, so where are you right now? It means it shows the world card. So basically, you have completed a major cycle. You've reached a level of emotional or material maturity, is what others might even admire. But here's the kicker. Why does it feel like the chapter ended and nothing really changed inside? So this card whispers that you did the thing, you passed the test, but was it your exam or society's? Sun reverse says that you are not happy, but you feel guilty admitting it. You're like, सब कुछ है मेरे पास, फिर ये खुशी कहाँ चली गई है? So basically, the joy feels artificial, the warmth feels transactional, the light is there, but dimmed, I guess. So, with the magician in reverse, it seems that you have been manifesting from fear, not power. अपनी worth proof करने के लिए you pretend to be somebody you're not. So, you might be manipulating your own truth just to stay relevant, acceptable, or needed. King of Cups basically says that you are deeply emotional but masterfully calm. You feel everything but you do not let it drown you. Okay? So your superpower is perhaps that you can sit in the storm and still offer someone else a cup of chai, right? But you need to realize that you need care too. Six of Pentacles basically suggests that there is an unbalance in giving, one-sided relationships, or maybe over-functioning. Okay? So this is about emotional debt, soul bankruptcy. And the devil, it basically suggests that there's this attachment to control, image, and emotional suppression. आप जो बेसिकली किसी के पपेट नहीं हो, लेकिन हर बार जब आप अपनी ट्रुथ जो होते हो दबाते हो तो आप अपने हाथ जो होते हो वो जला देते हो, विच मीन्स दैट look at this, the cage is open but you have forgotten how to leave. So overall message is that you are not off the path, but your path is asking for a recalibration. You have done the thing, you have played the game, now your soul is whispering, can we rest, can we be real? Okay, so I hope it helped, and if it resonated with you, please like, share and comment.